meeting today. Okay. So
Yes,
what
sir.
did we learn last time, Nishka?
Sir, we learned the values of the pieces.
Okay.
I actually calculated the pieces you have sent at the board, but
Right.
I was not understand. But I was not understanding. I have to send it or keep it with me.
Okay. You just had to send back to me on the WhatsApp actually. Okay. No
Okay,
issues.
sir. Is it okay if I send it now, right now? I mean, not right now, after the class.
After the class you can. No issues.
Yeah, actually, my father has a mobile and he's on something.
Okay. Okay. Nabha, are all set? Nabha. Okay. Meanwhile, let me share the screen. Is it visible, kids?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So few questions from revision perspective. Okay. What do you mean by home square? Home square.
Sir, can I?
Yes.
Sir, the four central squares.
No, that is
D
the
for
no. That is the golden square, right? Golden
yes.
square. I am talking about home square of any piece or pawn.
Home squares are the places of the pieces from where they start.
Right. You can say home square are the initial squares of the pieces at the start of the game. Okay. So if I ask you what is the home square of the king, white king, what is the answer?
E1.
E1. Very good. You have to, memorize this. White king is always in E1. Black king is always in E8.
E8.
Okay. White queen is always in D1. Black queen is always in D8. Correct? Swarit?
Yes, sir.
What is the home square of rooks, white rooks?
Seven H.
White rook.
Sir, can I?
Initial position. What is the initial position of the rooks, kids? Yes, Nishka.
Sir, A1 and H1.
A1 and H1. Correct? Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nabha, what is the home square of knights? White knights.
What, sir?
What is the home square of white knights?
Wait, sir. Home square of
White knights.
sir, I forgot it.
Okay. Who will tell? Swarit or Nishka?
Sir, can I?
Yes, Swarit. Hold on, Nishka.
G1 and D1.
Knights. B1 and G1. Correct.
G1.
Correct. Okay. Nishka, what are
Yes,
the
sir.
home squares of bishops? White bishop.
C1 and F1.
Very good. Okay. And last and important, anybody can answer. Okay. What are the home squares of white pawns?
A2, B2, C2, D2, E2, F2, G2, H2.
Correct. What are the home squares of black pawns, Swarit?
Black pawns. 7A, 7B, 7.
ए से आधी लेटरचं नाव घ्यायचं बेटा, नंतर नंबर घ्यायचा. ओके. A7, B7, C7.
A7, B7, C7, D7, E7, F7, G7, H7.
Very good. Okay, so this is about the home square. Okay, then we talked about the golden squares. Okay, what are the golden squares?
The central four squares.
Right.
D4, D5, E4, and E5.
Okay, D4, D5, E4, E5. These are the four central squares which are called as the golden squares. Okay, if you look at this, these are those four squares. Okay.
Sir, can you show it again? I would like it.
See these four.
No, not this actually. That the one which
Notes.
we.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. No issues. Yeah. Nabha, are you understanding what is going on? Okay, good. Pay attention. If you have any question, you can ask. Okay. Okay, kids. Have we talked about the rook movement last week?
No, sir. We have
Oh.
just learned about the values.
Values of all the pieces. Okay, who will quickly tell the values of pieces?
Can I?
Yes, Nishka.
Sir, rooks are 5 points.
Okay.
Then knight are 3 points. Bishop are 3 points. King is queen is 9 points. King is king has no value, and pawns have 1 point.
Correct. Okay. So values of the pieces we learned about, right? Now what we are going to do, you don't need to write it again. Okay, we already have written this last week. Okay, so this is just for your revision so that you will not forget it. Okay, now today what we are going to do, we are going to learn more about the piece movements. Okay, so the first piece is rook. Okay, the first piece is rook. Few things about rook. One, home square of rooks are A1 and H1. We already know. Okay, for white.
Sir, but we should write like white rook so that
Correct.
we can understand.
Correct. For white. Okay, and A8 and H8
H8.
for black. Okay, this is about the home square. Now, whenever you make a move, okay, before going to this, let me tell you few rules about the movement of the pieces. Okay, because now we are going to learn how the pieces moves. So before that, you must know the rules. Okay, so first thing first, kids, in game of chess, white always plays first. This is the first rule. Okay, you must be aware of, but still let us make note of all this. Okay, rules for piece movement. White always plays first. Okay, a player, another rule is a player can make only one move at a time. Okay, touch to play is a rule. Okay, what do you mean by touch to play? The piece to which you touch, okay, you have to make the movement of that piece only. Okay, suppose you touch 3 pieces. Say you touch the rook first, then you touch the knight, and then you touch the bishop. Okay, then your opponent will raise the concern to the arbiter. Arbiter is what? Arbiter is like a umpire. Okay, umpire in cricket you must be aware of. So similarly, the umpire in chess is called as arbiter. Okay, let me make note of it here. Umpire in chess is called as arbiter. Okay, so touch to play is a rule. So what arbiter will tell? Arbiter will ask you what your opponent did. So you will tell that, sir, he touched the three pieces, rook, knight and bishop. So arbiter will ask him to make the movement of the rook. Okay, in case if rook is not able to move, say because initial position you know a1 and h1, and then sidewise there are other pieces, side in front of the rook there are other pieces, so rook cannot move. Okay, so in that case the second piece that he touched, that is the knight. Okay, knight can jump, correct? So he will have to make the knight movement. In short, whatever piece can move first, he will have to make that move. Okay, hence what habit you have to do, kids, now going forward, unless and until you decide, you should not touch any piece. Okay, first of all think, okay, and then touch. You should not keep thinking and touching every piece. Okay, otherwise it is called as illegal. Okay, so touch to play is the rule. Next thing about the movement, what else? Okay, every player has to make a move when his or her chance comes. Okay, one cannot say pass for his move. Okay, just like in other games, you say, okay, I don't want to play, you play, I pass, correct? In other games, but in this case you cannot say that I pass, you have to make the move. That is the rule. Okay, alternatively, if say white made one move, then black will have to make another move, then again white makes the move, again black makes the move. Okay, so one move only, but it is compulsory, you cannot say pass. Okay, even if you know that if you make the move you are going to lose your king or queen, there is no choice but to you make the move in that case. Okay, so these are the few basic rules about the piece movement. Okay, then there is also a rule for capturing. Okay, one can capture. So as we are going to see how the pieces moves, okay, so at that time I will talk about the capturing as well. So one cannot capture or kill his or her own piece. Okay, you cannot capture your own piece, you have to capture your opponent piece only. Only opponent piece can be captured. Okay, I think initially these 5 rules are important to start with. Okay, so just remember, white always plays first. Okay, a player can only make one move at a time, he cannot make multiple moves. Okay, then touch to play is a rule. Whatever piece you touch, you have to move that piece. Okay, then every player has to make a move when it is his or her turn or chance. Okay, you can use the word turn or chance comes. one cannot say pass for his move. Okay. And last one is one cannot capture or kill his or her own pieces. Only opponent's pieces can be captured. Okay. So this is it. Are you done, Nishka?
Yes, sir, I'm done with that.
Okay, great. Sorry. Okay, let's go to the next one. Anyways, I am going to share these notes. Okay, so you can cross check later on. So about the rook, we talked the home squares are A1 and H1. Okay. Second thing, now as you can see, the initial position is like this. Okay. So second thing to know about rook is rook cannot jump over other pieces. Okay, rook cannot jump over other pieces. What does it mean? Now, if you look at this, initially, if you decide that you want to make the movement of the rook, okay, so because it is blocked by these three other pieces, you cannot move. Okay, so you will have to first bring the pawn out. Okay, then only you can bring the rook out. Okay, this is how you make the movement. Okay, so you must understand that rook cannot jump over other pieces. This is very important. Okay. Third thing, now once suppose the other pieces are not there and only rook is there. Okay. Suppose this is the rook. Now we will talk about how the rook moves. Okay. The rook can go horizontal. Okay. Horizontal as well as vertical. Okay, any number of squares. It is not the thing that it can go only 2 squares or 3 squares. Rook can go any number of squares. Rook can go any number of squares vertically or horizontally. Okay, it goes horizontal as well as vertical. Anyways,
So what is horizontal and
I will
horizontal?
show. I will show. Suppose the rook is here. Okay. Now this line, this is called as horizontal. Okay, the slipping line. Okay, and standing line is vertical. Okay. Now if the rook is here at E4, kids, can you tell me all the addresses the rook can go?
Sir, it can go to F4, then G4 and H4,
F4, G4, H4.
then D4 and D4, C4, B4, A4.
Correct. D4, C4, B4, A4. Okay. Where
Yes.
else it can go?
E5, E6, E7, E8, and E1, E2, E3.
Correct. Okay. Now can you
So,
count?
sir, it can come back as well, right?
Yeah. So, but it's already covered, right? Okay.
15.
Is it 15? You should not count this because it is
Okay, so
the
14.
original
14.
place. Okay. So it
It's
can
14.
go 14 squares at a time when it is in the center. That is at E4, for example. Now let me make the movement. Suppose the rook comes here. Okay. Now can you tell me what all addresses it can go?
F2, G2, and H2, then A2, B2, C2, D2. Then
Okay. Hold on, Nishka. Sorry, where else the rook can go?
So E2, E3, E4, E5, E6, E7, E8.
Okay. What about E1?
E1.
E1 also it can go, right?
Yes.
Okay, Nabha. Now suppose the rook is here. Okay, can you tell me what is the address of the rook currently it is standing? You are on mute, Nabha.
B5.
C5 it is, right? C5. Okay.
Yes, C5.
Now tell me where all it will go, Nabha. It goes horizontal and vertical. Okay. So you have to tell me all these addresses. Can you tell, Nabha?
Okay, sir.
Unmute yourself and tell the addresses, Nabha.
Okay, sir. First one is C5.
Okay.
Second one is C8.
Okay.
And third is A5.
A5. You can tell all these as well. Okay. It goes all these squares, correct? So you have to tell all these addresses. That is C1, C2, C3, C4, C6, C7, C8. Okay. Similarly, it goes A5, B5, D5, E5, F5, G5, and H5. Okay. Understood how the rook moves? Any questions
What?
regarding the movement of the rook? Any question?
No, sir.
Okay, it
No,
goes
sir.
horizontal and vertical. But another
Okay,
thing now,
sir.
yeah, as I said, now suppose if it is blocked by its own piece, for example, this pawn. Now, can you tell me what all addresses it can go?
It can go to
Sir, it can go to A4, B4, C4, D4, F4, G4, H4, then E1, E2, and E3.
E1, E2, E3. Can it go here?
No,
No,
will
because it is
finish the
blocked.
step.
It is blocked by own piece. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Because it is of
Yes.
own piece, you cannot capture it. I already told about this. Okay. One
Yes.
cannot capture his or her piece. Okay. So, and because it is blocked by this pawn, it cannot even go here. Okay. It cannot go here. The red squares, it cannot go. Okay.
yes.
So this is how the blocked piece works. Now, can you tell me how many squares it can go?
A4, B4, C4, D4, then E1, E2, E3.
Okay, how many squares?
7.
Seven
Seven.
squares it can go. Okay, because it is blocked by its own pieces. Okay. Now let
Yes.
me take another example. Now can you tell me how many squares it can go?
Uh,
11.
C5, no, E5. E5.
11. This time it can go 11 because it can capture the black pawn.
Yeah, it can capture. Okay, but can it go here?
No, it can't.
So how are you counting 11, Nishka?
I was counting the ahead one actually.
Ahead it cannot go unless this gets captured. Okay, currently it is blocked,
Okay.
right?
Okay. Yes.
Although there is a pawn, but rook can go here, right? Because it is opponent's
Yes.
pawn. So you will go and capture it. Okay, like this.
Yes.
The pawn is captured, right? But and once it is captured, then you are right. It can go further after capturing. Okay, but unless
Yes.
and until it is not captured, you should not count these squares. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So this is about own piece and opponent's piece. Okay. Similarly, suppose it is like this. Now, can you count how many squares it can go?
I
10.
E4,
five,
E4,
E3, E2,
Sir,
E1,
E4,
Sir, 10.
E4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
4,
Correct. Okay. So it can capture the pawn, it can capture the knight. Okay, so these squares are there. It can come to all these other squares like E1, E2, E3, E5, and then A4, B4, C4, D4. Correct? So did you understood about the rook movement?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Okay.
sir.
Another thing. Now let us see what happens if it is in the corner. Okay. How many squares it can go now? Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
H2,
7, 8, 9.
H2, H1,
14.
H2,
14.
14
H1,
squares. Okay.
H4, H1.
Correct. All these addresses it can go like H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, H7, and then
H-
A1,
A1,
A1, B1, C1, D1, E1, F1,
E1,
G1.
F1, G1.
Okay. So 7 plus 7 is 14. Okay.
14.
What if it is in this corner? Should that matter? No, it will again go
No,
14
because
squares.
14.
Yeah, here as well 14 squares. Here as well 14
14
squares.
again.
Okay, what about from this corner? Suppose I came like this. Now, how many squares?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So
13.
14 again. Okay. So what can we conclude from this? What is the conclusion? Irrespective of the position of rook on the chessboard, where it is placed, it can always cover maximum 14 squares. Okay, maximum. Why the word maximum? Because if the board is empty, okay, then it can go 14 squares. But if it is blocked by any other piece, then it gets reduced. Correct? We already saw this. Okay. And if it is blocked by its own pieces, then now how many squares this rook can go?
0.
Zero. Correct?
0 squared.
Now
8.
7 squares, right? You cannot
Yes,
count this.
7.
It is his own pawn. Okay.
7.
Now
9.
9. Okay. So you understood how the rook moves? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any question? Okay.
No.
Now
No.
about capturing. Okay. About capturing. Suppose now can he capture all these 4 pieces?
No, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, he can.
Yes, he can. Okay. But then which piece will you capture if you are white?
Black.
The rook.
Why not queen?
I was just thinking about queen.
We,
Because,
sir,
because queen is more
because,
powerful.
Yeah,
because
so
queen piece has 9 points
right.
and a rook has 5 points.
So because queen is more powerful, obviously you will capture the queen, correct?
Yes, sir.
Because if your opponent loses the queen, you know, his
Then
total
he has less power.
value, right? His power gets reduced, right? So
Yes.
that is how you need to decide. Another thing that you need to decide is, anyways, we will come to that later, because currently we don't know how the other pieces move. Okay, but as we know the values of the pieces, whatever the piece of more value, whatever the piece is of more value, you will capture that particular piece. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, sir, if suppose these the rook, knight, and bishop were there, like when we captured the queen,
Mhm.
so then we should capture the rook only because it has 5 points.
Correct. After capturing this, The next one is you will capture this first, correct?
No, sir, because it is 3, we should do it the rook first. Sir.
Yeah, but you are getting this immediate, right? In one move.
Yes.
If you want to capture the rook, you will have to again come here, stop, and then play, right?
Yes.
Correct. So afterwards, you will come here and capture this, then come here and capture this, and then capture this. Correct?
Okay. Yes. Sir.
Okay. So this is how it goes. Now just give me a second, kids. Okay, let me stop sharing for a moment. Okay, kids. Now I am sharing the screen. Okay. Now, how will you capture this rook? This star. Which address I need to go?
Sir, just a second.
E7, correct?
E7, sir. E7.
Okay, so this is how I captured. Now you tell me actually, how will you capture this?
By going on C5.
C5,
Then G5.
G5. Okay, Nabha, are you there? Can you tell, Nabha? Okay, Nishka, you can continue.
Yes, sir. First, it can go to A4. No. Yeah, A4.
A4 is correct. Okay. One, then
Then G4
G4,
and then G3.
then G3. Correct. Now,
Now it is.
how will you do? How will we capture it now? We will capture the H7 first, then G7, then we will
G7,
capture G1,
G1,
then we will come back to G8 and then
G8, and then
F8. Okay.
F8.
Okay. Another way, can we try? Say F8 followed by G8 followed by this followed by this, then this, and then this. Okay, but this will take one extra move, right? That is the
Yes.
reason this is simple. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Then again
and
repeat.
5 moves. 5 stars, 5 moves. This is the efficient one, right? So let's do
Yes,
it.
sir.
H7. Now next what?
G7.
G7.
G7,
Next
Then
one.
G1.
G1.
Then G8.
G8.
again
Then
G.
F8.
F8. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now there are 2 rooks. Okay. So which rook will
Yes,
capture
sir.
which one? Who will tell?
The above one should capture
You
the
can
first
tell the
star.
address. Napa, don't say above or below. Okay, you understand the
Okay.
address, right?
Yes, sir. B7 rook should capture
B7.
G7 one,
Right. Followed by
B7,
followed by it can go. G4,
G3 it is, right?
G3, sorry, G3.
Correct. And the rook at D4 will capture
Capture
the
the
A4
A4,
followed by
then go back
H4.
and H4.
Okay. So understood? If you want to make
Yes, sir.
movement, better movement, okay, you can decide which piece can capture which one. Okay. Okay, then
Yes,
tell
sir.
me first about this. Which piece it will capture? Which star?
B7
B,
should go
B,
to G7.
G7,
G7. Okay, Nabha,
Then-
next. Nabha, next. Which
So
star
she-
it will capture?
He will capture G3.
Correct. Okay, Nishka, the rook at
Yes,
D4, it will capture what?
A4 and then it will capture H8.
A4.
H4, sorry.
Right.
H4.
Nabha, now next what? What will it capture?
It will. It will capture A4.
H4. From A4 to H4, correct? Okay,
A4
now the complex one, little complex. Okay, look at the board position, kids. I will not tell. Okay, what are the addresses of the rooks first?
A1 and F3.
A1 and F3. Okay, now A1 I will give to Nabha. Okay, and F3 to Nishka. Okay,
Okay, sir.
now you have to look at the board and tell me what all stars you can capture with A1 and what all stars you will capture with F3, and then what will be the path. I mean, which star first you will capture and then go to the next one, like that. Okay.
So, sir, can I tell mine?
Yes.
Sir, first I'll capture the F2 star.
F2. Okay.
Then I'll capture the F7 star.
Okay. Good. Correct.
Then I'll capture the G7 star.
Okay. You will
And
capture
again
G7 or you will go for B7 first?
I'll go for G7 so that I can capture the lower one as well.
No, but
For
if you
the
go to,
G4 one.
yeah, if you go to B7 followed by G7, you can directly come here, right? But instead,
Okay, yes.
if you go like this, okay, then for coming back here, you will have to come back and then go here, right?
Okay, so I'll go for B7.
Correct. So first F2 followed by
Yes.
F7,
F7.
B7,
Then B7 and then
G7,
G7 and
and
then
G4.
G4.
Okay, so how many squares you controlled? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes.
Correct? Okay, and
Yes, sir.
A1 rook can go to Nabha. Are you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me then.
A1 means A1 and B1. D1.
D1. Then later on it will go to where? From D1?
To the F1.
Why F1? It will capture this, right? The D5
Yeah.
squares, right? So this is how it
D5.
will, D1, D5. Okay. Then we will
Sir,
go,
first F2, then F7, then D7, then G7 and G4.
correct?
Yes, sir.
Let us see. Oh, we got 3 stars. Wow. Clap for
Yes.
you, both of you. Okay. So was it a fun, kids?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this was about the rook movement. Okay. So we talked about the home square today. Okay. We did talked about the rules of piece movement. And then we saw how the rook moves, how you capture the pieces of the opponent. Okay.
Sir, can you send the notes again?
I will
would
share,
actually-
share on WhatsApp.
Yeah,
Okay.
in the
Now
note,
yeah.
I mean in the WhatsApp.
Yeah, meeting is getting over now. Okay, kids.
Yes,
we-
in the WhatsApp only.
We will stop here for the day, kids. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Bye-bye. Enjoy.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Naba.
Bye, sir.